So today another topic which people usually when they come to my coaching call and they say that I'm not feeling any positivity in my life. Do people don't love me and or people are not meeting up. They're not looking after me. They're not. I want this. I do all these things for them, but they are not even care for me. They don't show that kind of love to me. What is all these things? These things are basically your expectations. You are expecting these are the things from your near and dear ones. Now here these things will be from your near and dear ones only, because if you are loving someone, a movie hero and all, and if you are loving and you want to even hug him and you want to marry him, and you are thinking that why he is not loving me, or she is not loving me, that will not happen, because all this expectation we expect, that is basically from our near and dear ones. So today we are going to talk about that, how to come out from all these expectations. So hi, I am Reena Guha, our life coach and corporate trainer by profession. I am here to talk about more about life coaching, law of attraction, and all these topics of NLP, neuro linguistic programming. How through these mindset programming you can attract your any life goals faster than the expected time. Okay, now let's start. Mostly we do all these expectations, we mostly expect from those people who are very near to our heart, and we want them to fulfill all those expectations. We think, as I did this, they also should did all these things to me. As I have gifted them all these things, they also should praise me for that. They also should be thankful for me for that, and all these things. But before giving all these things, have you ever asked them that, I'm giving you this kind of things, but condition is all those conditions, have you ever told them before doing all these things, that the condition is that I'm giving you this kind of gifts, but you have to praise me, huh? Have you ever set preset agreements are there, that for my all these dates you have to do these things and all, and you are, because of your expectations, you are feeling low. Because of your expectations, you are feeling bad. Now here what you have to do, now take a pen and paper, write down all the expectations you are expecting from that particular person. Well, that may be from your, generally those who are very near to us. Okay, that may be from our parents, that may be from our children, that may be from our spouse, our partners, or our very close friends, our siblings. Okay, they are actually very near to us. So those who are near to you, you are actually expect all these things from them. So now you have to write down, and now don't count. When you are writing down, just write down, and don't count. That may, don't write down in 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. That count maybe go to 50, 60, 100, maybe more than that. Write it down. Maybe it is very small. That I want people to make tea for me. I want, because I give prepare tea and all these things and all, but at least one day in a week I want people to, I want my husband to prepare tea for me. I want my children to prepare tea for me. Or you want your parents to praise you for certain things. Or you have expectation that your children should listen to you for certain things. Now here you have to note down in this way that you should take one person for this exercise. You should take one person at a time. One person at a time. Write down all the list of expectations you have for, means you expect that that person should do for you. Now you wrote it down. Here you have all the list, that may be 50, 60, 100 or more than that. Now you compare. You compare here that you want your husband to praise you when you have dressed up. Now here, take one point, take each point, and write after that point that here I expect my husband to praise me when I dressed up. And here, just after that point, you write down, remember and write down how many times, in a day, in a month, in a week, in a year, or last when you have praised yourself. Last when you have praised yourself for that. Have you just think, or you want your husband or wife should dress up like that way. But now write down that how many times you have dressed up according to them, or you want your children to praise. You have prepared some food, and your children, you expect that your children should praise you, like, wow, what a good food you have prepared, mama or papa. Now you just think of that when you last time praised yourself for that particular thing. Now in this way you have to check, you have to stop, you have to recall, and you have to check every time, for each and every point. Maybe if it is a 50 point, you have to check, and you have to write down. And even if you think that you hardly did, or you never did, or last where you did you cannot even recall, here you give yourself a negative mark, a cross mark, and count. If you have wrote the 50 point, and count, then later on, after all this, after you finish, if you wrote 100 points, and count then that how much marks you got. Put everywhere, cross, and everywhere put 0, 0, 0. So if each point is 1 mark, out of 100, how much marks you have got, and write down here in my comment box. Write down, let me know. Do it, and let me know. And till the time, if you are seeing this thing, please like or share and subscribe, and comment below after doing all these things. Because if you comment, then I can understand that, okay, you are getting this kind of results, or you need here a little more help. Then I will also comment you that, okay, do this or do that. You can get more help in this way. Okay. And also subscribe and share with few of your friends, minimum 3 friends. Subscribe few of your friends, so that they can also get the benefits. This kind of things, this kind of tricks actually give you a release. And after doing this exercise, now you will feel a release. The expectations you have, actually you are not meeting up your own expectations. That is why you are expecting so much from the others. The moment you start seeing as a result that, out of 100 I got at 30, 40 or 50 marks, 50 will not cross, so I got these 4 marks. So from then you will start, where you haven't got the marks, from then you start praising yourself. Like after you dress up, and you just see in the mirror yourself, you see yourself in a mirror, and just praise yourself. Wow, you're looking so beautiful. Yeah. At least minimum once in a day, you look at yourself in front of a mirror and praise yourself. Give compliment. The compliment you expect from the others, that compliment you can give yourself, and in a way you can fulfill your expectation from the others. You can fulfill by your own, and you will feel that you don't have need of that kind of things from the outside. Yourself is enough. Yourself is enough. Make yourself dependent on you, not on others. You are making yourself dependent, so much dependent on others. Make yourself dependent on you. If you are preparing a good food, yeah, compliment yourself. Wow, you prepared us a nice food. Even if you are making this kind of video, give yourself a compliment. Wow, well done. You have done a good job. Or in your office, if you have negotiated well, if you have cracked a sales deal, give yourself a compliment. Give yourself, even if it is possible, give yourself a note. Yeah, a small note that, wow, well done, congratulations. So that way you can praise yourself, and the more you improve on that ladder where you wrote all these things, your expectations from the others, that you meet up more and more and more, you meet up, you will feel that after a certain time you actually don't have the need from the outside things. Okay, do it, huh? And don't forget to share and let me know in the comment box. Okay, let me know in the comment box. Write down after doing this how you are feeling. Okay, now you want to book a call with me directly to get a one-on-one coaching call. I'm giving you this thing as a free gift. The link is there in the description box. Okay, and if you want to join my free healing sessions, that link also are there in my description. Okay, bye bye.